In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a blog website with Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, click Design Site to launch the editor. When the editor opens, Wix will give you two ways to build your site. You can choose to create your website with Wix AI, or you can use a Wix template. If you want more direct control over the layout and design, choose the template option. Next, browse through the available templates and look for one that is designed for a blog or content-based website. Once you find a design that fits your style, click Edit to open that template in the Wix editor. Now begin customizing the homepage. Replace the main heading with your blog name so visitors can immediately see the identity of your website. Then update the introduction text with a short description that explains what your blog is about. Keep it clear and relevant to your topic. After that, add the pages your blog may need. Click the Add button, then select Pages. From there, create pages such as About, Contact, and Categories if they are useful for your blog. These pages help organize your content and make your site easier to navigate. Next, move to the blog page and begin replacing the sample posts with your own content. Open each post and update it with your own title, featured image, article text, and author information. This is where your website starts to become a real blog instead of just a template. Once your core content is in place, customize the overall design of your website. Adjust the colors, fonts, header, footer, and navigation menu so everything matches your brand or personal style. Make sure the design feels clean and consistent across all pages. Before publishing, use the preview option to check how your blog looks. Review the layout, test the navigation, and make sure your text and images appear correctly. This final check helps you catch anything that needs to be fixed before the site goes live. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your blog website live on Wix. Your blog will then be available for visitors to view online. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.